Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect laptop to TV, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring both your laptop and TV are turned off. Locate the right type of cable to connect your laptop to the TV. For most modern TVs and laptops, an HDMI cable is the best option. If your laptop does not have an HDMI port, consider using a compatible adapter. Take one end of the HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI port on your laptop. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI port on your TV. Once the connections are secure, power on your TV and laptop. On your TV remote, select the input source that matches the HDMI port you used. For example, if you used HDMI 1, switch your TV input to HDMI 1. On your laptop, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. From there, find the option that reads Multiple Displays. Choose either Duplicate to mirror your laptop screen or Extend to expand your display. Click Apply to save your selection and see how the display looks on your TV. If no image appears, check both ends of the HDMI cable to ensure they're seated correctly. You can also press the function key on your laptop, often labeled as F4, F5, or similar, for display options. If sound is not coming through the TV, right-click the sound icon in the system tray. Select Playback Devices and set the TV as the default audio device. Test the connection by playing a video or some music to ensure everything works. If you encounter any issues, reboot both devices and try the steps again. With this setup, you can enjoy your laptop content on the big screen in no time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.